Okay, to finish decorating our gift egg, I used some butterfly stickers. And you don't want to put the sticker straight on like this with the plastic around it showing. You want to trim off any of that border, go around the sticker and try to just follow the design all the way around. Okay, if the sticker is very large, if the image is large, then you'll want to make cuts into the sticker like we did when we were applying other pictures and motifs to our eggs. So you can make little cuts into the sticker, and then they'll follow the contour of the egg better. So when you're using stickers, you don't need to first glue down. You can just stick the stickers on, and then you will put a little coating of glue or just leave it until we varnish over the whole egg. So you can do that, and you can just cover the whole egg with little butterflies like that. It's very pretty. And you see that we varnished over it at the end. The other thing we're going to do is put a ribbon around the middle so that it's actually on one side of the egg, and so when you close the egg, it looks like a single egg that isn't cut. So you can use a gold ribbon, you can use any ribbon, and just put glue all the way around. You may want to use a thicker tacky glue for this. The white glue is fine though, but the tacky glue will dry quicker. And then just place the ribbon, leaving plenty to tie. And wrap the ribbon around. And then we'll let that dry, and after it dries, we'll tie the bow.